Hello friends, I'm Explorer A and today we are at the newly opened Grand Hyper, which is also known as the Panda Mall. So this place is located in Kuwait, Shuwaikh industrial area. So today we will be exploring that Panda Mall with the Grand Hyper. So let's go. And this Panda Mall provides 700 parking at the rooftop. So here's a clip. I think this is a cafe type area. It's a cafe area. We can like have some food or something and have some rest here. Now let's start the other area. That's fish area. There's butchery. I don't think I'm pronouncing it perfectly. Okay. Chocolate area. Yummy! Very yummy. Mercy. What is this? Marination? Okay. Oh, marination. I got confused. We even have clothing area here. But the best thing I liked in this plan is the school screens giving an advertisement for the Grand Hyper and some of their products. Machine scan. Let's see if this actually works, because in some stores it doesn't really work. I'm gonna test this. How much is it? It's a lunch set with 2 KD almost, 1 dinar 890. Okay, where's the barcode here? It works perfectly. Okay, nice. Oh, we have stationery. That's great. I guess this is also stationery. Okay, there's toys here. I had this one. Kids wear and there's like men's wear there, so we're not going there. Okay, there's one more line of stationery. Oh my god. This marker for 5 KD, 12 pieces. Where did 5 KD? It's like so much money. Yep. Nice offers. Okay, and this is the biscuit area. Battery area. Oh, baby area. Pampers. This is, I guess, some soap, some bar, perfume, cosmetics. Yeah, cosmetics. Cosmetics. Oh, and yeah. New limited edition. There's some morning breakfast items. Lebanon, nice. We have milk area, water bottles, and juice. And this is Barbican, very good. It's delicious drink. Watermelons. Not the season now. Sadly, we don't gonna have it because no season, no flavor. Okay, fish and crabs and prawns here. Ice makers. Oh my god, so much ice! Dang, that is so much ice. Okay, you have milk here, but in style of juice. Coconut. This is a machine to get coconut like this. Woo! Woo! Oh my god. Ow. Okay. Ooh. Guys. These are really good for snacks at the evening time. They're really good. Ooh. These are the spoons. We're some small, a bit bigger, to way big. Oh my god, how much are they even though? Oh, there are 1 KD 200 seals. Okay, cool. So we are at grocery now. We have some cakes and more juice and more water and some ready-made bakery items. And we have an exit here. And what is this? What is this? I think it's cookie, pista cookie. Okay. So let's end the video here. Bye.